Alright, here we go. Here's the Puffco Peak. Obviously, this piece of tape here. Okay. Once you peel this tape, your manufacturer warranty is void. They're not going to touch this thing. Anyways, let's check out some of the internals. Maybe if you ever break your peak, you could figure out how to fix it as well. Screws there. So you got a screw under that void thing, and then you got 2 screws up top. This is the case. Here's what happened when I tightened down too much. Stripped out this piece here. This piece may be replaceable. A little solder. Not sure yet. We'll find out still with that. It's got a pretty thick little battery pack here. Puffco motherboard. Here's your little USB charger back there. The switch. And those 2 little light bulbs. Hopefully I can get this piece here replaced. If not, this may be a totaled. I'm not sure how a little piece of metal here could stand in front of a $400 Puffco base. I know some of us are into our Puffco a lot more than $400 with the inserts that go on top. Those can run all the way up to $500 themselves. So yeah, this could be a really big problem for somebody who gets it a little too tight, because remember, this is all electrical connections. You have to have a connection on all 4 points. It's gonna be a little rough here. Wish me luck.